We're going to show you what I'm doing to the vehicle next. Here's a BLUPUNK 8-inch amplified subwoofer. It's 320 watts. It's a vent ported design and it's got a remote control for it. It fits under the front seat, either passenger or driver's. I'm putting it on the passenger side. And here's all the ports to it to wire it up and adjust the frequency and everything. Now we have HERTZ, the X690 340 watt speakers, 6x9s. And we'll be putting them in today. There's 4 of them, 2 in the front door, 2 in the back door, to replace the old factory units. You're wondering what this is doing up on top? This is sound deadening mat. They'll be going in the doors and wherever else I see fit to put the mat to cut down on sound, vibration, and so on. So that'll be installed. I've already installed what's called a V-gate battery terminal. I'll show you that later. So it's a pretty neat item. It's so I can connect all my wires instead of them being sloppy on a battery post, that they'll be nice and organized. So we'll show you that. Now I don't have the head unit yet. That's coming, probably another couple of weeks for it to come. To put in the subwoofer next Friday, I'll be installing that. The wiring will be coming for it, the 8-gauge wire and the remote wire to shut it off and everything. That comes in a whole different kit. And the wire that hooks up to the head unit. So we'll show you that after I got it installed. It's all going to be done very neat and tidy, and there's going to be no holes that I have to drill or anything in my Jeep to make it happen. It's all going through existing grommets and everything, so it'll be quite nicely done. You won't even be able to tell I got it in other than the head unit when it comes. So that's it for now. We'll show you the wiring just a little later when I go out to my Jeep. Okay, here's what I did to my battery. If you can see, they got those nice clamps on them now. And you can go in from the back. I put on ferrules on the end of those wires, the heavier wires, and they're shoved in to these, and they clamp down with a set screw, really. And then you can also put wires on top, clamp them down, so you have plenty of options. So that's pretty cool if you ask me.